Hello YouTube and welcome to Tech with Don. My name is Don and I am a technical writer and software developer. The purpose of this channel is to help us, me and you, learn technical writing so we can provide value to all the different areas that need our help. During our episodes, I will break down different concepts and discuss them with you. We'll also build projects and write technical content around them. This will include technical articles, documentation, white papers, and much more. What are you going to work on? APIs, software SDKs, and a variety of other technology that requires technical content. Is this going to be exciting? I sure hope so. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can receive notifications every time I post something new. Is the art of explaining technical terms, methodologies, concepts, and systems through writing in a way that allows everyone to understand and use a piece of technology. For example, if you visit a site with one of Microsoft products, you will see a link like board documentation. This section details the steps required to effectively use this particular software, e.g. VS Code. This art, because it's an art, is performed by someone known as a technical writer. Some technical writers have a background in software development, like me, which makes it easier for them to quickly understand the software and explain it. It also makes it easier for them to work with developer teams. How do you become a technical writer? I can think of 3 great ways to become a technical writer. Number 1, go to university. Some universities offer technical writing courses. Number 2, technical writing bootcamps. There are many bootcamps out there that offer technical writing courses. I will be listing them down below after this. Number 3, self-teaching. Here, you watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read books and materials online to learn more about technical writing. Personally, I went through a self-taught journey. I started out as a content writer and copywriter, and then learned how to code. I was then able to transfer the writing skills I had learned for 8 years to technical writing. This, as you can imagine, was not an easy road. Unlike university or bootcamps where the content is structured and there is a lot of resources available, I had to look for all that. I had to structure my own content. I have to look for time to learn. I had to write samples, which you will also find in universities and bootcamps. But all in all, I was able to finally get into technical writing. It is not an easy journey, but it is also not a hard journey. So what tools do technical writers need? Well, since the majority of your work involves writing, you will find yourself working with basic tools such as Microsoft Word for Microsoft users, Google Docs, or whatever other text editing software you find useful. Good thing is that most of these tools are not hard to use. You might have to work with other tools such as VS Code for writing and editing Markdown and ASCII content. Get familiar with using Git, GitHub, and other version control platforms such as GitLab. Also take time to learn docs as code and tools such as Antora, Clefairy, and others. We will definitely be discussing more of this in subsequent videos. All in all, different technical writers need different tools to achieve their goals, and you might find yourself using one tool or the other. What skills do you need to become a technical writer? Well, number 1 is attention to detail. Number 2 is communication skills. You need to be able to write clearly, easily explain complex topics to the general public, ask questions, and deliver answers effectively. Number 3 is being a self-starter. Working with developers is not always a walk in the park. While most developers are more than ready to help you out, you will sometimes meet brilliant devs who can't communicate well. Some will assume you should know everything they know, but they are the few minority, right? Being a self-starter will help you get things done. You need to be a hard worker. Technical writing is a lot of work. More often than not, you need to go the extra mile in sourcing information and researching concept. You also need to be curious. By curious, I mean that you should use the piece of software that you're writing about. Use it, try to break it, ask questions to the devs. Most times when developers are making this software or these APIs, they provide very little information on how to use maybe different endpoints, and sometimes the information they provide is not 100% cannot be easily digested by the user. You have to be curious. You have to try out the software yourself. Put yourself in the shoes of the person who's going to be using this piece of software. Ask yourself what kind of problems would they encounter when they're using this software. So these are just some of the skills that you need to become an effective technical writer and find a footing in the technical writing world. Did I answer all your questions on technical writing? Probably not, but I hope I provided answers for all the questions you might have. Remember, I am not here to train you to be a technical writer. I am here to learn with you. Then you can both be effective technical writers. So until we meet next time, feel free to reach out to me on the comment section and let's talk more about technical writing. You can also reach me through Twitter. I will add the link below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post new content. Until next time, goodbye.